guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenie Magic here, bringing you guys another client tutorial. And today I just was feeling colorful, feeling hot girl summer vibes, so if you guys want to see how this look turned out, please stay tuned and make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button before moving any further into this video. Y'all, let's get it. So what I'm doing now is priming her eyelids with the concealer that I used to conceal around her eyebrows, and I added a little brighter one just so that it can give it a pop of color when I apply the shadows. After I blend the concealer out, now what I'll be doing is setting it with some setting powder. I told y'all I was feeling a little vibrant today, so we're going to be using Caicos Dynasty neon eyeshadow pigments in those four shades that I showed you guys. I showed 4 because I thought I was going to use 4, but actually turned out using only 3, so yeah. Now what I'm doing is just tapping on the neon eyeshadow pigment to the desired pigmentation that I was looking for. Now when applying these eyeshadow pigments, you want to take your time so everything can look blended and neat. Now the key to applying eyeliner is to go slow and steady, and you want to start off by making one straight line first. Now, before applying any product to her face, of course, we're gonna prime first. Now for the foundation, you guys might be like, it's a little too light now, but at the end of the video, everything is gonna come together well. Now we're moving on to highlighting part. We're going to be using the same concealer we used to concealer on her eyebrows. And then I'm going to add a tip of Juvia's Place concealer, which is a little bit lighter than her shade. But I just used it to bring out underneath her eyes a little bit more. And this is just a look of how all the creams and liquids blended together before I applied any powder products. Now we're going to be taking the setting powder and setting everywhere that we applied concealer. Now I'm just going to be blending everything in using the same brush I used with the foundation. Now what I'll be doing is contouring her face with that dark brown shade out of this eyeshadow palette. Now what I'm doing is just blending in the area where I took off the headband that she had on. Now what I'll be doing is applying highlight, my favorite part of doing makeup. I'll be using a golden color out of this eyeshadow palette and just applying it onto her high cheekbone areas. Now I'm taking a burgundy matte color out of this eyeshadow palette and using it as her blush. And for lips, you guys know I love a nude lip. Nude goes with anything. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing, a nude lip for her. So I went ahead and styled her hair and applied her lashes off camera. And what I'm doing now is applying the finishing set of finishing spray, setting spray. This is the finishing look, guys. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel to know when I upload more, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you very much.